We're going to Mexico! We took over half the flight. I'm trying to do a home video of this trip.
Oh, hello home video. This is Ken. Greetings.
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 We're going to
Good
the
tidings
beach.
to you. We're going to the beach.
Oh my goodness, we're right there. We're almost there. Look at the trees. It's so pretty. My hair gets so crazy when I'm near the ocean. It gets so big. I got this camera. It's one of those old cameras from like 8 years ago. Everyone's here, guys. The bride. I know. We're in Mexico. And yeah, we're here for a wedding, but like I'm trying to film everything in this camcorder. So I don't know what it's gonna look like. But I'm really excited for it. Happy birthday to you. It's her 18th birthday, you guys.
Beach.
We What's up?
Hi! Welcome to Puerto Vallarta again.
I haven't filmed anything. It's so zoomed in. I haven't filmed anything. That's Antoinette. Hi. Antoine. Our people. I see our people. Bonjour!
Yo, you guys.
Hello. I haven't filmed anything, and we're going to the beach right now. It's so
Look,
zoomed in.
there's a foam party later.
Foam fest. See that foam? My thought is like noodle.
Styrofoam.
Yeah, like noodle, pool noodles.
Doon ka na lang mag-laundry.
Yes! No, I literally said maglalaba ako sa foam. Antoinette, let's do it. We have a white party going on for everyone included in the wedding. That's why we're wearing white. Surprise!
I'm so zoomed in, look.
I like that. Thank you. Jonathan's wearing a Filipino one and Jane's wearing a Vietnamese one. That's so cute. Respecting each other's culture or whatever. Ang cute you guys actually, right?
Sabi ko, Carl, ang ganda ni Rihanna. Para mas maganda siya nakaupo doon. Sabi naman ni Carl, oo, tapos may sing-sing ako.
Say hi to your future kids.
Hi, future kid. This is my mom. She finally turned 18.
Say hi, man. It's so zoomed in.
Uy, uy, uy. Ay, ay, ay.
Here.
Please finish your shot. Most welcome with an S.
Hey, birthday boy! Pogi! Antoine! Hola! Hi! Hola!
I've been here in Mexico for 4 days now, and it's still not sinking in that I am here. So I'm kind of just like trying to savor every moment. Okay, hater.
She's talking to herself again.
Stop.
Como éramos felices.
Today is the wedding day. It's 10 something right now, and we have to be at Kai's room by 11. I haven't talked and said anything on this vlog. I think it's because it's really hard to talk to a camcorder for some reason. Like, been doing stuff this whole week, and I kind of just want to stay in the resort. I want to stay so much at the resort to the point that I get sick of it. Like, that's my goal. What should I say? I haven't vlogged in so long. We're wearing our matching PJs for the bridesmaids. I'm not ready. Oh my god, I'm like oily or shiny. I'll put powder on you. Okay, thanks. We're going to the lobby and get some iced coffee. Just getting coffee because everyone's not ready yet.
Hi! You're wearing your magic! You are? Wow, parang ready talaga.
Volar. No tengas miedo, mi palomita, que nada te va a pasar. Anda y prueba tus alas bonitas, sin que el temor te limite. Vuela paloma bien alto, mi vida, no dudes que siempre amanece, ya amanecerá. Paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda.
Como éramos felices cuando andábamos así y estábamos contentos, pues contentos hasta el fin. Se fue, alejándose de mi alma. Se fue, hasta llegar al olvido.
Oh my god! I miss my dogs though. I miss my family. Hi guys, last day. I haven't talked. This is like the third time I talked to the camera for this whole week. I can finally relax. Antoine, say hi. You're so cute. Ken, say hi.
Hi. It's our last day. We're all tired. We're just relaxing now. Enjoying the sun.
Getting a tan.
So we're laying down. This is our point of view.